YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, click that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. As you can see, I got a package in, a big long package. I don't know why it's in this big box like this. And check it out. Tape. See how they did this? This the tape on it. Man, this is crazy. Anyway, let me crack this thing open, man. I got this from damn, I don't even have my knife on me. Shows this key because it's taped. It's another box inside of this box. I don't understand this, man. It's crazy. Why would you put another box inside of this box? And watch this. I bet you, yeah, either the shoes in here or the shoe box. Probably I asked him was the damn did he have the shoe box? Cause in the picture he had the shoe box. Man, this shit crazy. This shit pissed me off, man. I ain't got no fucking knife on me. Man, hold tight. Alright, let me see. Yeah. This is crazy. Yo, check it out. The shoe box. So he put this box, the shoe box inside a box. The box inside another box. I mean, that's cool, but you know, you gotta pay for all that, man, the weight. Anyway, man, it's a Jordan box. Size 12. Y'all know if you cop these with shoes in here. So. It's the paper. Air Jordan, what they call these? I can't, got a brain fart. Anyway, man, they not new, they used, but that's the sole of them. It's a little dirt right there. You know, that's what I look at when I cop a used shoe. I look at the sole of them. Then I look at the toe box. It wasn't real creased up or nothing. So that's what I look at, man, as far as a shoe. You know. I don't know if that's coming in. But anyway, see this like. Hold tight, let me see something. Well, I ain't got time to do all that. This is the other shoe right here, man. It's the sole of this one. See the stars and stuff popping off. Now this shoe right here, man, I like it, but I was late on copping, and the reason being is because I didn't really care for the elephant print on here, man. It's like black, but it's supposed to have a what they call that, a little glow to it when the light hit it, you know. So yeah, I ain't like that black. Then it looks something like the True Blue 3s. You know, Jordan brand could have kept this shoe, man, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Because they just came out with the True Blue 3s about a couple of years ago again, you know what I'm saying? So, but I got them, man, and I'm going to rock them, and I'm glad to have them in my collection. So it is what it is. This is what came in. Stay tuned for some more pickups, family. I didn't mean for this video to take so long. I'm gonna get up out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. It's the OG, and I'm out of here.